There are many ways that you could optimize your factory operations. Today I'd like to talk to you about one feature of our LA6 PoE Ethernet capable multicolored LED signal tower to help you achieve this. Many machines in factories already have signal towers installed on them, but the problem with that is that you could only tell what's going on at that particular time with that particular machine. You may not know how that particular machine is doing compared to another machine, or how your process is flowing overall. Maybe there's bottlenecks here or bottlenecks there. Maybe you've tried to use PatLight's wireless solution to gather this kind of information, but you found that you're not able to do that because of interference or bad signal transmission. We'd like to propose installing our LA6 PoE signal tower onto your machines. The LA6 PoE is a multicolor signal tower, but most importantly, it has an Ethernet capability. With that, you could put it on your network, and in addition to that, it has PoE, Power over Ethernet. So that means that you could control the unit and power the unit with one cable. There's no need for extra wires to power the unit. But most importantly, is because it is on a network, you could gather data from your machine, from each machine that is connected to this LA6 PoE, and create andon charts and Gantt charts. This way you'll be able to analyze how each machine is doing, how your overall process is going, and you can improve your overall productivity. We have two LA6 PoE models. One is a desktop model and the other one is a direct mount model. They both have Ethernet capability, so you could put them anywhere on your network. They both have Power over Ethernet PoE, so you don't need to have extra wires to power the unit. So with one cable, you could control the unit and power the unit. The 21 different programmable colors and the 11 different alarms allows you a lot of flexibility to suit your needs. And finally, we have the different protocols, Modbus TCP IP and HTTP. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us. We'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you.